Hello students, in the previous video you have studied part 4, the word meaning and exercises. This is part 5 of chapter 4 and the chapter name is nervous system. Today we will do the question answer. Answer the following questions. Now look here. Your first question is, what are the different parts of the nervous system? What are the different parts of the nervous system? Our nervous system, the answer is, our nervous system is made up of 3 parts. The first part is the brain. Second part is spinal cord. First part is brain. Second is spinal cord. And the third part is nerves. So these 3 are the parts of our nervous system. Students, you can take the screenshot of this question so that you can write it on your notebook. So take the screenshot. Now let's see the second question. Your second question is, explain the functions of different parts of the brain. What do the different types of nerves do? So you can see here are 2 questions in 2 parts in one question. First part is explain the functions of different parts of the brain, and second question that is given here, what do the different types of nerves do? Okay, now see the answer. Your first heading will be functions of different parts of brain. This is your first heading, functions of different parts of brain. Okay, now first part is cerebrum. Cerebrum is the first part of your brain. It controls our thinking, our learning, our thoughts, our memory, and basic intelligence. What can control the cerebrum? Cerebrum can control our thinking, our learning, our thoughts, our memory, and basic intelligence. It can controlled by the brain. Okay. Second heading is cerebrum. It controls the balance. What do you understand this word by balance? It controls the balance of our body, coordination, and movement of muscles. This is the function of cerebellum. That is the second part of our brain. Now third part is medulla. The third heading is medulla. It controls all the functions of our body. All the functions of our body. Needs to stay alive. Needs to stay alive, like breathing air, digesting food, and circulating blood. These are the function of medulla. Now here you can see the second part was of your question, what do the different types of nerves do? Means first we have seen the function of different parts of brain. Now we will see the function of different types of nerves. So let's see functions of, write the heading, function of different types of nerves. Your first heading is, that is the first nerve. First heading is sensory nerve. It sends messages from the sense organs. Look, it sends messages from the sense organs. And what are sense organs? We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. So sensory nerve sends messages from the sense organs to the brain or spinal cord. This is the function of sensory nerve. Now second heading is motor nerve. And what is the function of motor nerve? It sends messages from the brain or spinal cord to the muscles or glands. This is the function of motor nerves. Now your third nerve is mixed nerve. This is the third heading. It carries messages to and fro from the brain. To and fro means here and there. Means it can perform both the function with sensory nerve and motor nerve do. Okay, now this question is complete. Second question. Now let's see the third question. Third question is, what are reflex action? So look, our brain is the control and coordinating center of all actions and reactions, but some of our actions are not controlled by the brain. They are called reflex actions. So look, our brain is the control center, as you know, and coordinating center of all actions and reactions. Means it controls all the activities of our body, but some of our actions are not controlled by the brain. They are called reflex action. Do you know what are the reflex action? Such as is sneezing. When you sneeze, so you can't control it anymore. So you can also write the example. Example will be sneezing. Example will be, you can write the example sneezing. Sneezing will be the example of reflex action. Now look at the fourth question. Explain the different parts of the eyes. Explain the different parts of the eyes. Okay, now look here. Our ears, our eyes are set in bony sockets called eyeballs. These bony sockets called eyeballs. Eyeball is the first part, then which are further protected by eyelids and eyelashes. Now eyelids and eyelashes, these are the another parts of your eye. These are two parts. The transparent area in the front of the eye is called cornea. So this is another part of your eye, cornea. The colored part of the eye is called iris. Colored part is called iris. Now pupil is the black circle. Pupil is the black circle in the center of the iris. So students, you can take the screenshot of this answer by just sliding down your fingers. So take the screenshot so that you can write this answer on your notebook. Okay, let's see the next question. Now this is the fifth question. Let's see. What are the different parts of an ear? How does how does the sound travel through it? And the answer is the ear has three parts: inner ear, middle ear, and outer ear. These are the three parts of our ear. Sound enters the outer ear and then passes into the middle ear. Then the sound hits the eardrum. Sound enters from the outer ear, then passes into middle ear, then the sound hits the eardrum. When sound passes through the eardrum, it produces vibrations. These vibrations pass into the inner ear and send signals to the brain through nerves present in the inner ear. These vibrations pass into the inner ear and send signals to the brain through nerves present in the inner ear. Students, take the screenshot of this question answer so that you can write it on your notebook. Okay, let's start from the first page and take the screenshot. This is your first page. Take the screenshot just sliding down your fingers. Now this is your second page. Take the screenshot of this page also. Have you taken the screenshot? Okay, let's see the next page. Take the screenshot. Now take the screenshot of this page also. Now this is your last page. Take the screenshot. Now we'll meet in the next video of your fourth chapter, and that will be the sixth part. That will be the sixth part of your fourth chapter, and in that part we will see some activities. We will see some activities in that part. So students, write the question answer on your notebook, complete your work, and learn it also. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.